doing today? Doing some small shit 'cause it's really hot. Like, it's either too hot or too cold out. So, and maybe I'll turn the heat on this winter. But today, I'm going to show you this thing. I picked up this gadget. It's a Morse taper, wait, I forget what it is. MT3 JT6 made in China Morse taper thing. And the problem is it won't fit in my lathe because of this. So I did some research online because, you know, nobody's allowed to do research online because nobody can be an expert online and, you know, all that stuff. They said we couldn't do our own homework. But I did my own homework. And most of the machinists tell me just cut this off if it doesn't fit in there. Just make sure you measure it right. Otherwise it's going to be a pain in the ass getting out. This way, when you turn it all the way, to the end, it pops out and you push it all the way in and it stays in. So I'm going to lop it off. It's going to go cha-ching. And I'm just wondering if this is hardened steel or what. So should I use a grinder and just grind it off? Or should I don't know. I don't know what the hell to do really. So I'm not really sure what the hell I should take it off with. I'm thinking an abrasive saw would work better. A grinder would probably take me forever, but it would work. Anyway, I'm gonna look for something. I'm gonna measure it real quick, make sure it goes in and out the right way, and see what I gotta do to get this thing cut. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. Oh, and thanks for subscribing if you're new. Thank you. Ah, that's a lot of background noise. That noise is my grinder. I should stop this thing. It's not gonna work. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Let's stop it anyway. Hello folks, this is my keyless chuck for my lathe. I'm going to show you the keyless chuck with the end on it. Well, I spared you the grief. I lopped off the end. It doesn't look terrible. It needs a little polish, but it's a lot flatter. First I was putting it on the grinder and figured, well, if it's hardened steel, it'd be easier to take off the grinder. Then I switched over to the what do you call it, Wen bandsaw, and it just lopped it off, and so I just was playing with things, so it just goes in there and ta-da. And if you read the comments on Amazon where I got this, people just wonder why the hell they put that on there, because apparently it's useless. Tap that in there and it should stay in. So now I think it's what size is this? 1 to 13 millimeters. How big is 13 millimeters? I haven't the slightest clue, because I don't do shit in millimeters. I'm guessing it's at least that big. It's that big. Yeah. Let me see what fits in here. I did buy some what do you call it? Wait, I'll show you. Stay there. I picked up some, what are they called again? What the hell are they called? These are center drill bits. That's what I bought this for. So, excuse me. I have some small center drill bits that should, oh yeah, should fit in here perfectly. See, I don't burn my hand trying to do this. There's the center drill bits I want to put in there. You can see I want to try it out. There was something I had to do with, I want to do with center bits, but I can't remember what the hell. They're basically just, it's just a box of high-speed steel drill bits that I used. So I'm going to be using these and this together. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm most likely going to use this to, what do you call it, help make, where is it? Oh, I put it over there. I'll show you another video. But anyway, it's to help make the, for this Wilton thing, I want to make the bar on it for the handle. And I got some bar stock and a whole bunch of stuff ready to try to attempt to make the bar. Don't know if I'll be able to do it, but we'll see. Toodles.